payments revision needed on Amazon. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix payment revision needed on Amazon. So let's get started. You know that the Amazon cannot deduct payment for active subscription like Amazon Prime. So to fix the issue, simply go to your Amazon account, and after that tap on the profile at the top right, then tap at the account option as you can see in this screen. After tapping on the account option in the window, you will be redirected to your account. Here on this page, you need to tap on payments on the left side. Here tap on cards and accounts. I will show you where they will be visible. From here you can see the option. Now tapping on it, you will be redirected to the next option that says accounts, cards and account. Then you need to add a new payment method. You can add an FSA or HSA card, credit card or debit card, or personal checking account depending on the type of payment method you prefer. Now if the issue persists or if you need assistance updating your payment method, then you can contact Amazon customer support. After that, you should be able to resolve the issue of payment revision needed on Amazon. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.